Good morning. What? It's Wednesday. Doesn't everybody wear bunny ears on Wednesday? By the way, these have some serious, like, you can strobe. Let me get closer. Extreme close up. You can strobe. You can, like, blink.
Can they morph colors?
They don't morph colors. Not like our fiber optic candles.
Exactly.
Did you guys join us for our 1 a.m. show? It was awesome. We had so much fun. Monifa Days, Lisa, me, the gang sharing with you our spring decor collection. So yeah, we literally came off air at 2 a.m., jumped in the car, drove 2 hours back down to Delaware. Here we are, got about 3 hours of sleep, and we are raring to go. Yes. Good morning, Debbie. Good morning, Paula. We are giving you a heads up that we have our live stream coming up. You know, I stream, you stream, we all stream, live stream. What? Wait, hold on. What happened? I scream, you scream, we all scream, live stream. This is how this day's gonna go.
Totally.
Vanessa, how are you? Catherine, good to see you. Marsha's here. Awesome, awesome. We are going to dedicate our live stream to some fun Easter recipes. I'm going to be making my mom's bunny cake. So not sure if you guys have seen those, but it's something that I grew up with. Literally every Easter, mom would make the bunny cake. Good morning, Mary. Hi, Karen. Hey, Linda, Stacy. Ordered the throws. Stacy's already jumped on it. That's awesome. We're going to show you those later live and in living color. We had planned to go outside. Not going to happen. It's a monsoon. And it's cold and dreary. Not that I don't love you and not that I wouldn't sacrifice that, but I don't think it would be pretty. So the throws are awesome because you can use them as a placemat or a tablecloth, I should say. You can use them as towels at the beach. And you can use them as a throw. They're just really cool. Hey, everybody. Stacy, hey, gorgeous. Me or the throws? Oh, the throws. Okay, never mind. All right, so we are going to be making a cocktail. You guys, I can't. Okay, here's the star of the show. Like, just stay tuned because this one is really fun. We're going to rim the side of the glasses with fluff, because it doesn't get any better than that. And it's our marshmallow Easter bunny cocktail. So that's what we're gonna kick it off with. Then we're gonna get into mom's bunny cake. Super easy box recipe. It's all about how you cut the ears and how you decorate it. So love the idea of doing this together, maybe with your grandkids. It became a tradition in our home that I wanted to share with all of you guys. So something easy, something simple. Everybody's saying hello. Cindy's here, Jane's here. And then we're gonna finish off with a white chocolate fudge. An Easter fudge. Look at how pretty that picture is. Like, are you kidding? Doesn't that just scream like, yes, want that? Me too. So every Wednesday at 11 a.m., we are live streaming over on QVC.com. Lisa always puts the link on our Facebook page, so that's probably the easiest way for you to get there. It's not so easy to navigate all the time. So we try to make it super easy for you. Oh, that's the cutest shirt. Oh, Lisa has it in pink. Hey, Lisa, hop on over here and say hi. Well, they can't see you. She's literally hopping. I'm like, well, no. Look. Look, by the way, your glasses with the glasses, like, are you the bunny? Like, stand up for a sec. Look.
I got matching glasses.
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm gonna wear this on Easter. How about you?
No. But anyway, yes. I mean, aren't they cute? So cute. You know, the girls love a theme. All right, Lisa. So we also put the recipes up on Temp-tations.com, right? No.
You know what's so cool about our recipes on Temp-tations.com?
What's so cool?
Our team back at home. By the way, we can barely talk today all the time.
Well, I feel like I might be doing a little bit better, but okay, go ahead.
Made these so that when you print them,
yeah.
Like, look, I'm serious, like amazing. Well, this one wasn't printed properly, but
stay tuned. Hey, why don't you hop out of here? Anyway, so just kidding. Love the bunny ears. Yeah, we just want to have fun, you guys. You know, it's like a half an hour where you can come spend some time with us. We're doing fun recipes. I'm making cocktails.
It's chaos.
It's chaos. I mean, I don't really have a ton of tools. I usually have gloves. There's a mixer involved. I got a hand mixer. I do have a hand mixer. I have like a little burner pot, so that's fun. Yep. No blood.
Gloves.
No gloves.
Anything plug in?
Yes, the hand mixer.
Okay. Oh boy. What could go wrong with that today?
Not a thing. I'm just going to whip it right out while we're in the middle of mixing up the batter. All right, you guys, so hopefully you can join us. We'd love to hear from you. We're actually going to play a fun little game. We're going to decide what's your Easter bunny name. And if you guys were with us for the leprechaun game, we check the names ahead of time, okay? Woo, we will never do that again. I assure you. Okay, everyone's saying they love the shirts. Oh, we hope when you're making you smile, you guys smile. Life's too serious. Like, let's just have some fun. What's happening here?
Did you lose a few?
No, it's just like super staticky.
Do you want me to spray them?
No, thank you. All right, you guys. Well, we're very excited. Hopefully you can pop on, check in with us. Let us know where you're checking in from. And yeah, give us some love. And let's have some fun. And let's, for the next 25 minutes starting at 11, let's make some fun recipes that are just super easy, super relevant, you know, as we get ready for the holidays coming up. And yeah, I'm going to go hop to it. Ooh, Margaret is... I think from El Paso, Texas. Love that. Cindy's watching. Kaylin, pretty name. Mary's here. Mary Jo's here. Life is short, ladies, so live it long.
Sorry.
I love that expression.
Live it
Mary
long.
Jo, life is short, ladies, so live it long.
I like that. I never heard that before.
Me neither. Love it. Verla's saying she loved the show last night. Yes, lots of you picked up lots of fun items. Can't wait to see them in your house. Yes. All right, well, we're going to get going, and we'll be live, because what goes wrong then, at 11 a.m. over at QVC.com, but we will have the link for you on our Facebook page, which just makes it super easy. All right? Okay, I'm going to hop to it, grab my peeps. I got all the puns. See you guys soon. Bye.